So if you're on the Plus or Pro plan of ChatGPT, go ahead and open the drop-down menu and select ChatGPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. ChatGPT now lets you schedule reminders as well as recurring tasks. This is a new feature released by OpenAI, and I'll quickly show you the potential use cases and how you can use it. For example, as you can see, I've asked ChatGPT to send me a report about the latest AI news at 10:50 a.m. It has registered that as a task. And what happens is that it will send the report to your inbox at the scheduled time. When you open the email, it will open up in ChatGPT, and as you can see, it provides a pretty extensive list of all the recent updates and events that have happened in AI. This is just an example of how you can now schedule your tasks. Another cool way you can implement ChatGPT tasks is by asking it to send you a weather report. This will register as a task. Now, let me show you some of the customization options for the tasks. You can change the task name if you want and set up custom instructions. For example, if you'd like to know additional information along with the current weather, you can specify that. You can also change the schedule and adjust the frequency of how often the task repeats, including the date and time. And if for some reason you want to, you can pause the task as well. Sam Altman recently published a blog post suggesting we may see the first AI agents join the workforce in 2025, materially changing company outputs. Imagine asking an agent to do something like research the best price on furnace filters every 3 months and have one delivered to my door. While this feature isn't fully functional yet, 2025 could be the year it becomes a reality. You can already stitch together partial solutions, but platforms like ChatGPT might bring this into a seamless workflow. For example, you might say, hey, could you research the best price on raincoats before the rainy season and have one delivered to my door? While this level of automation isn't fully functional yet, I think we're pretty close to seeing these kinds of features integrated into platforms like ChatGPT, maybe even later this year. I mean, yeah, you can stitch together a few platforms to do something similar right now, but having it all work seamlessly in one place, that feels like it's just around the corner. But you can also have some fun with this. For example, you could say, hey, generate a bedtime story with a custom image every night. It'll, create the image for you. And what's really cool is that in the future, with voice integration, you'll probably be able to just pop it up on your phone and have it read the story to you every night. You can even add other instructions to make it more personalized. Plus, you can check out all your settings and scheduling options, so you're totally in control of how it's set up and when it happens. Now, another cool way this can really help you is by setting up tasks that need information from the internet and making sure you're, consistently reminded. For example, if I ask it to make me a custom workout plan every Thursday and Monday, it'll go ahead and create the plan and send me all the details. The instructions are basically to remind me to do the workout, and you can see the schedule right here. Oh, and another thing, you can just check out all your tasks anytime to see everything you've got set up. It's super simple. And that's a quick look at ChatGPT's new scheduled tasks. Pretty cool, right? If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tips and updates. Thanks for watching.